So this is the first aid kit, kind of our safety corner here. And behind the eye wash station is the lockout tagout box, okay? So grab that kit and let's go over to where our machine is broken. So our lockout tagout kit has a bunch of things in it to use to lock out machinery. So what we're trying to do here is to keep anybody else from operating this equipment. There's a bunch of padlocks in here. There's some lockout, different apparatus to lock things out. So once you close this around the switch, you put the padlock through there and it locks out. The bottom of it are some other different types of lockouts. What I want to show you is what happens over here. So what I've done is I have locked out this plug because the plug wire is shorted. What I want to do is to see I've locked it. I've got a padlock on there. And then I have a tag on here. I try to put it with the lock. And it says on here, bad wire on the plug. If you're the only one here and that's what you need to do so that I know how to fix it, it also needs to be reported to one of the instructors. So now this bench vise or this bench grinder can no longer be used because we have it locked out. A couple other lockout devices are locking this plug out of the lathe. So if the lathe stops working correctly, then you lock that out and then you tag it out. Okay, I didn't put what's wrong on here because I didn't know. So what else do we have here? So on the big mill, it has its own power device. You know, there's no plug-in on the cord up here, so we have locked out the entire electrical box. Okay, so the reporting has to be done to the instructor, but this is the contents of the lockout box. This is how we do it. So if anything breaks on you, please do the lockout and then the tag out of that piece of equipment so nobody else gets hurt.